Jocko. Jocko. Did you put them in the microwave? Jocko. You cannot put the viewers in the microwave. Why not? Why not? I want to microwave them. No, Jocko, you can't put our viewers in the microwave. You can't. Jocko. What, Ringler? You never let me have any fun, man. I'm looking to party with the ladies. Well, Jocko, they're not in the microwave. You can't put our viewers in the microwave. Jesus. You crazy, man? Ringler, I can do whatever I want. No, Jocko, you can't. Be sure to subscribe. No, do it better than that. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, or I'll put you in the microwave and I'll fry you up. Jocko, that was so dramatic. You're being dramatic tonight,